It has begun. The aces against the Bolts, and Ciso missing the three, and then Ciso is joined by the boss, Sanitos, Racal, Eximiliano, and Corey Jefferson. For the Bolts, it's Nusam, Baser Ramer, Jared Dillinger, Justin Chua, and Alex Stevenson. Chicky Reyes here with Coach Don Oliado. Second game for our PBA Saturday.
Newsome going to work in the low post right away. Gets a smaller defender.
The Beermen in their last game. Putback is good. Going to work early.
Ooh, Jefferson on the low post. It's just too easy right there. That easy for him.
They swing the ball, no. Chua will go inside. The floater is good for the big fellows.
He's got that range. Oh, Jefferson.
Of Jefferson.
Ooh.
Jefferson! Points coming from Corey Jefferson. Baby hook is good for him. Shot knocked on last guys at 11.
The Orange Army of Morocco is starting to make some noise in the crowd.
King missed it. Tap by Racal. Goes to the sunny toss. And they'll call a foul.
Extremely tough. Look at that. Wow. Flushes it.
He gets it back. He was blocked by Alex. Cross court. King with a running shot. Oh, it's good. Sunny. No help there. At the baseline, the reverse. Nope. Third attempt is good.
He's just playing volley.
Turned over by the Aces.
Oh, wow.
The late outplay. The finish by Baser. I told you he can choke it from there.
Oh, yeah.
It's a total of 7 points. Talk about big men who can shoot. Baser on the move. Baser goes all the way, and he gets the bounce. 6, 17, 11. Jefferson forcing the issue. He has 9 points.
Not much.
It's JD against Calvin. Daredevil against the Beast, and Daredevil scores.
Nice. Oh, there's a steal. Nice pressure from backcourt.
And look at Casio. You reach. Makes the second. Goes in.
Oh, God. The ambit. You don't know if he's going to shoot with his left, or he's going to shoot with his right, or he's going to shoot with his feet. He can do it all.
Just like Corey Jefferson. Meralco 17, Alaska. Newsome season opening. It's good.
The beast.
And almost lost control of the ball. He recovers. Baser has it. 5 to shoot. Nabong. Jumper. Book it.
Their jump shots. Ooh.
Abueva. Block by Octatan. And the buzzer goes